You better lose yourself in the music, the moment, you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime, are the famous lyrics from the Eminem song Lose Yourself. He talks about performing in critical situations, for it could be your only opportunity that one gets to come through in a specific type of moment. How many times have you seen it on the daily, nightly news or sports show? Kobe Bryant hits the game-winning shot at the buzzer, or Josh Hamilton hits the walk-off home run for the Texas Rangers. It seems that every night there are a couple of game winners, and every night these superstars make it look easy. Performing in these situations is anything but a cakewalk. When it comes to performing in crucial situations, we Phoenicians remember one specific moment that happened on November 4th, 2001. It was Game 7 of the 2001 World Series, and there was a runner on third base when Arizona slugger Luis Gonzalez stepped up to the plate in the most pressured situation of his long career. On the mound was future Hall of Fame closer and the most feared pitcher of the decade, Mariano Rivera. I cannot even imagine the amount of pressure that Luis Gonzalez was feeling. But like a true professional, he came through and got the game-winning hit to win the 2001 World Series. My story is different though. My story reveals that I have yet to learn how to react in these crucial situations. The image of me hitting a walk-off hit has played in my head about 1,000,000 times since I was about 5 years old. I finally got my chance in a high school game against Moon Valley. It was a close duel the whole game, and we were down by 1 going into our team's last at-bats. I kept telling myself that I was not going to get a chance to hit, even though I was 3 for 3 at the time with a double and 2 singles. Bit by bit, my spot in the batting order kept coming closer. I finally got on deck when the person in front of me drew a walk. The tying run was on third base, and the winning run was on second base. The situation clearly got the best of me, for I struck out on 3 pitches to end the game and did not swing at a single one. You'll have more opportunities like that. You're young, my coach told me afterwards. I have not yet grown as a person to handle those types of moments. I believe that a person has not entirely lived until they feel the feeling that runs through their body when one has to perform in pressure situations. This feeling is uncanny in its own way. It sprints through your body in every possible direction in what feels like some sort of supernatural substance that is full of nerve and pressure. Although this feeling can easily take over you and cause you to fail, there is a way of taming it. This feeling is like a great racehorse. If you tame it, it can bring you a huge amount of success. This feeling produces a type of raw power, or adrenaline as some people call it. One usually masters how to use adrenaline when you feel like you're in a certain zone, where it's just you and whatever's standing in the way of you and success. This is what Eminem means by losing yourself in the moment. We as human beings really have not entirely lived until we have that overwhelming feeling come up to our face and challenge us. What you do in these situations is up to you. These decisions build confidence and make us better people. Just remember, lose yourself in the moment. In this I believe.